Good morning, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. This is day 4 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. So great to have you today. This is a rise and shine flow. A little shorter today, but we got things to do, don't we? Hey, the random question for today, I have to know, we all have to know, is what was the first street you ever lived on? Let us know below. Very important. Start your day with Coach Vigue. Let's rise and shine. Come to a standing position. Going to do some flop downs, breathing in the nose and out the nose. By the way, isn't this a beautiful spot? Keep finding them just for you. Soften the knees. Let's dive down. Squeeze out the breath. Inhale, stack that spine, rise back up. We're going to electrify the back and the spine. Shoulders back and down. Tuck and dive. Shake it out. Inhale, stacking. Shoulders back and down. Let's do 2 more. Diving into that beautiful stretch. And rising up. And 1 more time. Lead with the crown of the head. Inhale, lifting up. Stacking, shoulders back and down. Let's do them one at a time. Back. Rise and shine, campers. I keep thinking of Groundhog Day for some reason. Do you? All right. Okay, 1 more time each side. Twist and twist. Soften those knees again. We're going to dive down. Walk the hands out a little bit and then walk them back. Rise up. Get the blood flowing in the back, in the spine. I'm going to scooch back a little bit. Tuck. Walk out. Walk back. Smush your heels down. Feel that stretch down the backs of the legs. 2 more times. Shake it out. Always modify as needed and use control. 1 more time. Sticky mat. Okay, rise up. Press back, chair pose. Let's get some movement into the glutes. We're going to do chair to forward fold. So we come back, exhale, dive. Inhale, rise all the way up, arms up over the head. Cactus arms into chair. Very fluid movements, always. Inhale, stack, rising up, shoulders back and down, arms up. Cactus arms, chair, and dive. 1 more time. Oh, what are we doing? Chair? It's the view. It's this beautiful view. If you like, reach the fingers back or reach the arms back and lace the fingers. Bend the knees. We have Yoga Mudra. So forward fold with the arms down or reach the arms back. 5 breaths. Get some blood to the brain. Get your focus. Chisel down the focus. Oh, it's just lovely. So I can't put into words how lovely this whole presence is right here. All right, drop the arms. And let's come down to child's pose. We're going to do child's pose to modified plank. Really get the shoulders moving, get the body moving. Rising and shining. Press back. Inhale forward. Hands under the shoulders, nice shifting of weight. Let me scooch forward. As always, the Florida grass can get me. But it's worth it. I always walk away nice and itchy. Actually, I biked out here today. I'm using a portable tripod so I can bike anywhere around town. Drop down and we can train together. Isn't that fantastic? 2 more times. All right, bring it forward. Take the knees back, lower down, Whew. Forearms down, take them a little further forward, draw the shoulders back, and move side to side. Nice little stretch, shoulders back, a variation on the baby cobra. Good. Fit these flows into the busiest of schedules. 30 days of morning yoga. Every day is something very unique, very diverse, keeping you challenged and surprised. All right, press it back, downward facing dog. Bring the feet together, legs together. Sink back and sway back and forth. The down dog pendulum. Exhale to the side, inhale center. Love this move. The hip bones swaying side to side. The slight breeze. One more time each side. All right, left foot forward. We have a, whoa, let me switch the cap here. We have a low lunge. Oh, all right, fingers down. We're gonna rock it forward and back. Knee comes in front of the toes, nice stretch there, getting some mobility in the ankle, and then back. Love this sequence here. I teach it every time, no matter which class I'm teaching. It could be spinning, it could be personal training. I always add a nice split series to get the whole lower body moving. Inhale forward, exhale back, hands are down for protection here, just for support. One more time, each one, forward and back. Switch sides, right foot forward. When you're ready, start that movement. The foot and the knee is staggered. So we have a nice base of operations to work from. Blood flowing, fresh blood pumping through the body, setting the tone for your day. One more time, forward and back. Whew. Oh, that's beautiful. I can't resist. Let's add the side lunge. Take your leg out. We could be here or put the foot down. Classic. Woo. Hands down or hands together. Take 5 breaths. The Velcro is going right here. All right. Find your focus. Sharpen the focus. As I said, set the tone for an extraordinary day. These days don't come along all the time. We have to purposely grab them, live them, focus on them. You want each day to stand apart. Something great happened on each day. All right, other side. Knee down or the foot. Can never go wrong with a side lunge, also called a Cossack squat. But I teach a lot of yoga, so I speak in terms of yoga poses and variations. All right, one more breath, one more. Good, deep breathing, bring it to downward facing dog. Once again, feet together, legs together, sway side to side. Press back as you sway, relax the upper body. The art of releasing into the movements. Going for those long, lean, functional muscles. Nice elasticity in the muscles, in the muscle fibers. One more time, each side. So we can do everything better, everything with more ease, more control, more freedom of movement. All right, knees coming down, shoulder rolls up and back. Excellent. Rise and shine, part of your 30 days of morning yoga program. The question, of course, today, the random question is, which street were you born on? Did you live on First? Comment below because we must know. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Until then. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness Training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.